Let's start in a plank. Let's just get right into it. We don't have a lot of time today, and I want to honor and respect your guys' time. I know you just were scrolling through your feed and now all of a sudden you're working out, right? So don't watch this. Get on the floor with me and join me, because I'm not going to take up too much of your time, but it is going to make a difference. It's going to make your mood elevated. It's going to make you feel stronger. It's going to make you feel more committed, more consistent, and ready for the next level. So let's come on to hands and knees. And then if you want to take a modified plank, we're just going to roll over to the tops of the thighs and drop the hips down about halfway. And if you want to take a full plank, you can extend the knees, reach back through the heels, reach the head forward. Start to tuck the tailbone slightly under, lengthening out the lower back, pushing back through the heels, extending the head forward. Find your plank. Find your plank. Let's take 3 more deep breaths here. I want you to soften the elbows. A little tiny bend in the knees is okay. Keep kind of rounding the spine like you're curling up into cat pose. Keep extending back through those heels, reaching the head forward. Find your length. 1 more deep breath in. And exhale, pull the right knee to the left elbow, switch sides, left elbow, right knee, and switch right to left, left to right. Let's do 4, 3, 2, and last one. Great job. Lower to the knees, press the hips back to the heels, take that child's pose. From here, we're gonna fold over back into that knee plank. And you can stay in the knee plank. I just wanna show you the modification. So if you can stay in the knee plank, and you can still bring knee across to opposite wrist, you just have to work a little bit more on the hip mobility here. So it's still gonna engage the abs, but it'll also help with your hip flexors. So if you have really tight hip flexors, this is going to help. Okay, so either option. Let's do that 1 more round. Press hips back to heels, extend into child's pose. Good, and then move forward, come back into your plank. Either option, up to you for 10, 7, 6, breathe, 5, exhale. Every time you bring the knee to the elbow, always inhale to prepare, exhale on the hard work. Bring it a little bit closer. Let's do 1 more extra credit and lower down. Knees to the floor. Beautiful. Let's press hips back to heels. Child's pose. Extend through the arms. Lengthen through the chest. Beautiful. Come up onto hands and knees. Round through the spine. Tuck chin to chest. And then drop belly down. Lift the hips. Lift the heart. Pull the shoulder blades back. Deep inhale. Exhale. Round through the spine. And inhale. Arch through the back. Deep inhale. Good. From here, let's curl the toes. Lift the knees up and back. Press the heels toward the floor. 1 at a time, just walking your downward dog. Just take a few breaths here, opening up the hamstrings, opening the hamstring connection point at the back of the knee. Now think about elongating through the elbows, shifting all the weight back, like you're trying to lift the rib cage up off the shoulders, lift the hips up off of the rib cage. Find as much length as you can here. Then let the head be heavy. Relax the neck, maybe even look up at your belly button. And that's your downward dog. From here, let's step the feet to the top of your mat. Start in a forward fold, belly over the thighs. And then just grab onto opposite elbows with the hands, let the head hang heavy. Relax the neck, sway from side to side. Now, if you have the openness in the hamstrings, you can slowly, gently start to straighten out the knees. Or we can stay in that forward fold and focus on the upper body. Okay, oftentimes I always have to come around and push people's head down because we want to hold the head high. The neck wants to stay engaged. Let the neck relax. Let the neck relax. From here, let's walk the feet together if they're not already. Big toes touch. Bend the knees. Sink back like you're coming into a chair pose. Squeeze the thighs together. Squeeze the hips together. Kind of like squeezing the glutes together here, and then reach the arms up, press the palms together, long elbows, shoulder blades down the spine, gaze up at the fingertips if you can. Inhale, exhale, sit a little deeper into that squat. Inhale, gaze up at the fingertips. Exhale, sit a little bit lower. 1 more deep round of breath. Inhale for length, and exhale to deepen. Float the arms back behind you, engage with the triceps, start to tuck the chin to the chest. Shift the weight forward, balls of the feet, lift the heels like you've got stilettos on. Lift the pinky toes, the pinky fingers up toward the sky. Good, keep balancing here, reach the heart forward. If this is too much, press one heel down or both heels down. Just hold for one more round of breath. Switch the heels if you need to here. And then as you exhale, forward fold. So that's what we're adding on. Inhale, gaze high. Exhale, hands to the floor. Bend the knees as much as you need to. Get the hands on the ground. Step back, high plank. From the top, knee to elbow switch, knee to elbow switch. We have 10 total. 6, 5, we're more than halfway there. 4, 3, 2, last one. From here, we'll press up and back, downward facing dog, heels to the ground. One knee at a time, bend it out. And then we'll step or float, feet to hands, forward fold, exhale. Take a little sway from side to side, building a little bit more heat. We're gonna walk the feet together, come into that chair pose, float the arms high. Sink a little lower, exhale. Link the thumbs together if you want, or press the palms. Inhale, link. Exhale, sit deeper. One more deep breath. Inhale, link. And exhale, sit deeper. Float the arms back. Now this time, if you want, you can just stay here, or you can add on go into a chair burpee. So if you want, float the arms high to chair, plant the hands, hop back to plank. Hop the feet forward, lift up to chair. 2 more times. Hop back, hop forward, and lift up. One more time. You could always step it back if you want an intermediate option. And lift up to that chair. Beautiful. Float down, fold forward. Spread out the feet, hang out for a second. Relax the shoulders. Let the body find length and strength all in one workout. Gaze up, flat back, inhale. Exhale, hands plant, step back, high plank, mountain climber. 10, 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hips up and back, downward dog. Let's add on right leg lifts for 10, 9, working into that glute. 8. If this is too much, keep the knee bent, pulse it up. Keep working into that glute. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring right knee, left elbow, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mountain climber. 10, 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Downward dog, left leg high, 10 times. Lift with that glute. Keep the hips pointing down. Work to get the right heel to the floor. Keep the shoulders even. Exhale as you lift. We're almost done, you guys. You can always keep going after the video if you want more, but I'm about to be done with you. Bring knee to opposite elbow, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mountain climber. 10, 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to downward dog. Use it to step or float. Top of the mat last time. Find your chair, sink down, float the arms high. Deep inhale. Exhale deeper. Inhale, length. Exhale, sit deeper. One more time. Inhale for length. And exhale to sit deeper. You can either stay here, float the arms back, float the heels high, working on strength. If you want more cardio, more abs, we'll go into that chair burpee 3 times. Use your breath. 2 more. Last time. And come back to chair. We'll meet here, just pulse it down. 4, 3, finishing up those thighs. 2, and last one. Woo! Great job, you guys. See, I told you it would be quick and painless. If you feel like you want more, if you feel like you're warmed up, you're ready to keep going, you can just keep doing that a few more times. Keep rolling through that little sequence. You can start over with me just by starting this video over again and again. If you want more amazing content, join us at vTru.com.